Hi.
Hi. It's pretty dark outside. Today is December the 1st, 2011. Y hoy en la madrugada hubo muchísimo aire, como nunca. Yo creo que llegó hasta 70, 80 millas por hora. Nos dejó sin luz. Todo está oscuro. ¿No Martínez? No creo. Y estamos sin luz. Y supuestamente hasta mañana en la noche o hasta el sábado. Hoy es jueves 1 de diciembre. No es mañana hasta el día 3, que viene siendo el sábado. Esperemos en Dios que mañana nos regresen la luz. Toda la comida se nos va a echar a perder, la que tenemos en el refrigerador. Apenas habíamos ido al Costco. Las niñas no van a ir a la escuela mañana, ni Nathan tampoco. Está súper oscuro. A ver. Martín, que nos va a traer un compresor.
No.
Para que nos dé luz.
Generador.
¿Cómo se llama?
Generador.
Un generador para agarrar luz. Tu tío Chaco se trajo, aquí tiene uno, ya lo puso, ya tiene luz de tu casa, pero no ahí no hace nada. Don't hang up, okay? Don't hang up, hold on, okay? Oh my God.
Nobody, Christian.
Explotaron un montón, donde quiera aquí
There's no light, you know. The only light that we have inside is the camping light. None of our neighbors have lights. It's cool. It's like camping. Enrique tiene su generador. We can hear it all over the neighborhood, but they have light and stuff. And then we have our camping gear, and we have light there with our camping gear. Less noise, and everything's working. We have a little TV and everything else. I'll go inside right now. Made popcorn. Oops. Let's see. It's out of focus. Okay, there it goes. It's cool. Hi, girls.
Can I see myself?
Yeah. This is us inside. We have a little camping gear. My girls are here. She's playing with Camel. She's playing with a blue penguin. Okay. They're used to it because we used to go camping. So now we have some more night light. This one. That right there. We need a little candle here because of any gas leaks. That way they're right there close to the stove. Our food in the refrigerator is going to spoil. We know that. So we have to eat as much as we can today. Chris is back in. And then in every restroom we have a candle. Right there. Oops. There. Nice shot. So that lights up the restroom. Two candles here. My in-laws are already asleep, so we're gonna try and be quiet. So that's plenty of light here. Then there's two more candles over here. Right there. That's for Nathan. He's at the mall right now. There's light at the mall. So this is it. This is our little setup. We have another candle here. Hi. There I am. Kind of chunky. Plenty of light for the restrooms. So. Okay, this is our bedroom. That's it. There's plenty of light. Hey, what are you guys playing?
They both have to sing a song.
Hey, careful.
Sorry. You really want to see Santa Claus. You have to work for it.
Hey, girls. Your grandpa and your grandma are asleep.
Can you do it like this? Yeah. You have to rock and roll with the band. And so we're gonna a Michael Jackson band. You really got it to stop. Really go on this life.
Let's see, what about you, Kayla?
Really want to be.
Here's our little setup. Candle. Extra little propane tank. Then we got radio. This is what I take to work. Emergencies. Oops. They're disconnected. That's messed up. Okay. Well, this is what I take to work. Here's my battery and stuff. It's ready to go.
Y Martín, ya te digo, y muchas, aquí por la vadilla, mijo, donde está, before la calle
Rosalba
Puente,
talking to
before,
Adrian.
se cayó un pino
He's been
grandote y cayó
there
en
with
las
us.
luces, ahí
Oh,
en
this is my
los
other bag.
cables, so the thing exploded.
This is the one I use
El
for video.
el transformer,
And then that's my battery
exploded.
pack. My other battery pack.
Yeah,
So we're pretty set up.
mucho damage, mijo. Todas las calles, mijo, just to get over here, it took me like an hour and a half from
Okay.
Rosalie Street to here, an hour and a half. Ya, todas las luces, you know how people, ya ves cómo se junta el tráfico, mijo, en las calles grandes. They were like like 2 cars by 2 cars, by 2 cars by 2 cars. So stop.
This is our moon.
This is our moon.
Here we go, we're starting getting closer and closer and closer. Closer and closer and closer. We're about to step on it. Ah! No, it's right there. That's our moon. Hey, come
That's
on.
our moon.
You're moving me. Don't stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop, Kayla. Stop.
This is our moon.
Okay, I tried to. No, Mija, please.
From the
Don't,
dark, bright
don't.
sky.
Look, it looks like it has a happy face here.
Stop it,
Kayla.
And they always go on the planet moon.
Alright, thank you, Kayla, for
Up to
passing in
the
front.
sky.
Thank you.
For every day.
Oh, yeah, guys.
So even cool, just come out.
We're back outside, and this is Rosella, still on the phone. And then this is Christian,
She has a lot of cows.
my baby.
I mean, she has a lot of
And then my other little baby.
Texas.
Here. Wait. Stop, Kayla.
There's
Stop.
little babies up here.
Stop, Kayla, look, watch. Ready? Ready, set, Kayla? Ready, set. There's, so you can see yourself. Oh, there you are. Dile, this is what happens if you've seen too much Twilight, Dile. Stop. Guys, you're getting out of hand. That's crazy. You're scaring me. Ouch. Stop. Okay. Mira. This is what happens if you watch too much Twilight. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at you guys howling on the moon. Woo. Woo. Oh, somebody's crying. Where are you at? Where's she at? Where'd she go? I can hear her. Okay, she's over here. Bye, Adrian.
Bye, Adrian.
He said hi. He said, everybody say hi, and I'm sorry for you guys. He said.
This is what you see in Twilight.
That's it. Avoid seeing Twilight. This could happen to you. Yeah?
Avoid seeing Twilight. This can happen to you. Say something.
Christian, what's wrong with your eyes? There's something up with your eyes. Can you see?
I can't.
Look at something up. Where? Look at.
Kidnapped my daughter. Don't play me for a fool. Perhaps if you threaten to harm the woman, they might tell you all they know. No, I'm sure that she had nothing to do with it. Besides, she reminds me. Listen to us, wizard. We don't know anything about your daughter. Liars. A woman. She showed me proof in her magic crystal. Proof in a magic crystal. What sort of conjuring is this? It has to be Evil Lynn. Of course. For it is Evil Lynn who is your enemy, not us. You must believe.
Hi. Hola, compadre. Welcome to the rescue. Thank you, guys. Ahí están. Oh, mira, ahí está Shazin. Hi. Oh, ahí está.
I put like 4 gallons in it, so I don't know how long it'll last.
Okay. All right.